The code presumes, Texas presumes, that both parents love the kids, both parents have, and they're invested in the kids, they have a duty to support the kids. Texas presumes that one parent should be the primary parent. And that parent is going to establish the primary residence of the children and is going to have certain rights and duties to the children that account for that parent having the majority of the time. In Texas, there is also the presumption that the other parent should have regular and frequent access and possession to the kids. So the standard possession order in Texas these days is roughly a 47 to 53% split. We're only talking about 15 or 16 days of difference, but that's not 50-50, okay? Lots of people these days come into our office and they have an agreement or they want a 50-50 type schedule. We're happy to do that, but understand that if we go to court, if the judge follows the black letter law straight out of the code, you're not getting a 50-50 possession schedule, okay? Because the code doesn't even address a 50-50 schedule. So I know some other states, notably another conservative state like Florida has recently moved to a 50-50 presumption. Texas still doesn't. Texas presumes one parent should be slightly more equal than the other. So that is what it is, right? So that really sets up a lot of conflict in a lot of cases. First things first, we go to our first hearing and we're having to argue about who's going to be the primary parent, because if you lose that battle, you're paying child support, because that's the other side of that coin.